Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. I think it's amazing shopping. Let me double check. Hold on one sec. Amazing Shop 365. They got some amazing stuff coming. Right now they got these. Whatever's in the box to show you guys. So all you gotta do is click on the link down below and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. And here we go. Definitely excited for these things. Here we are. This is a two-pack special LED nightlight. Oh yes. USB charge. Great stuff with these. Definitely will save you on your electricity instead of running all the lights all the time. For your man cave and bathrooms, kids room, gaming room, whatever room you use it in. These will save you some money. And it's a quick charge if you use your USB charging power banks to charge it up. Should be automatic. Look at this. I believe they got two different colors of light. This is a white one. They got the orangish one. They got switches on the back. On, off. A is for auto. So in case you walk by it, up to like 10. Whoa. Let me shut my light off. Show you guys how bright this thing is. So really cool. Definitely like these new LED lights. Like so you can have them hanging anywhere in your closet, underneath your computer desk. Look at that. Bam. Really nice glow to it. Definitely you can have it down like that. I just gotta find a spot to put these at. And there's the USB. Or no, actually that's the sensor right here. This is where the sensor goes. So it comes with these magnetic. Oh shoot! There we go. That works. These magnetics, you can put them on the back. And charges, I think, is pretty good on these. I think 8 hours it lasts. Up to 8 hours. Charge time is 2 hours. Total flux, 60 luminous. Does it say really? Oh boy. 10 feet. Sensitivity is 10 feet. Alright, so that's cool. It takes 2 hours to charge it. I think someone said it's like 8 hours for full charge. So, like I said, if you want it permanent on, or like I'm going to have it on auto. And that's why I can't do it right now. But once you walk by it, it brightens up the thing. We got 2 packs, so these were the special right now. All you gotta do is click the link and find out what the deal is, and have these shipped out to you guys. It's really cool. Lightweight, easy to hide, easy to store. Pretty cool. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. OKeanu, Amazon Prime. You guys know the rest. You guys be safe out there, and I'll see you guys back hopefully later on. If not, see you guys soon, and see ya.